Synovial fluid is the liquid that lubricates and protects our joints. By examining this fluid under the microscope, doctors can find clues about infection, inflammation, autoimmune diseases, or joint damage. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cell that fights infection. When many neutrophils are seen in synovial fluid, it usually means the joint is dealing with a strong inflammatory response, often caused by a bacterial infection or conditions like crystal arthritis, such as gout. Neutrophils are the body's first responders to inflammation. When bacteria or irritating crystals enter the joint, the body releases chemical signals that quickly attract neutrophils to the area. Once they arrive, neutrophils engulf and destroy bacteria, release enzymes and reactive substances to kill microbes, and try to remove irritating crystals such as urate or CPPD. Because they respond so quickly, neutrophils become the main cell type seen during acute joint inflammation. That's why a very high neutrophil count in synovial fluid strongly suggests septic arthritis or crystal-induced arthritis. Lymphocyte is commonly associated with viral infections and chronic inflammation. When lymphocytes are increased in synovial fluid, it often indicates a long-standing inflammatory or immune-related joint condition. Macrophages are large white blood cells that act like garbage collectors, engulfing cellular debris which can make them look vacuolated under the microscope. They are commonly seen in non-infectious inflammatory joint diseases. Synoviocytes come from the joint's lining and can look like macrophages or mesothelial-like cells. They may have more than one nucleus and often appear in clusters when the joint is irritated or after arthrocentesis. An LE cell is a neutrophil that has swallowed denatured nuclear material called an LE body. These cells are classically seen in systemic lupus erythematosus. Reiter cells are macrophages with vacuoles that have engulfed neutrophils. They are commonly seen in reactive arthritis, which was previously called Reiter syndrome. RA cells, also called Ragocytes, are neutrophils that contain dark granules formed from immune complexes. They are often seen in rheumatoid arthritis and other immune-related joint inflammations. Rice bodies are tiny white particles in synovial fluid that look like grains of rice. Under the microscope, they're mostly made of collagen and fibrin, and are often seen in tuberculosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and chronic joint inflammation. Hemosiderin shows up as golden brown pigment inside synovial cells. These deposits are often seen in chronic inflammation or in pigmented villonodular synovitis,